You conducted a test and give me a test result. After 3 days of the test, you now come back again, trying to do the same thing. I want to understand, just explain to me. Secondly, you are a Chinese and you have not been tested. It may happen that you a Chinese, even have the virus, but you have not been tested. You that have not been tested, you are going around testing other people just because I'm African. No.
They are Chinese, but they have tested.
What about you? I'm putting it to you direct. Have you tested?
Because they come here first, work here before my coming. Okay?
No, did I work here? Okay, now you are now working here, and they carry you, and you are working here, and they did not test you. It may happen that you're even coming here to even infect us, because I don't have any problem. I don't have any problem. So now, you want to again to come here and say something again in my mouth, in which I don't know whether that particular thing they are sitting in my mouth is even affected. You come here, you tested me, and you give me a result. I have it here as evidence. And this result here, I've already sent it to my government. This particular result, I've already sent it. Why? Because since yesterday that you people have been tormenting me here, I spread information to everybody. They are aware of everything that is going on. You tested me, and I was negative. Then you are coming to test me again. Maybe since your plan did not work from the first attempt, you want to execute it again by coming to set me the virus in my mouth, claiming that you are testing me. Is it a right thing? Is it the right thing? Listen, for more than 20 years now, I have not sick. I'm okay. I'm strong. Despite that you people refuse to give us food here, I'm still okay. Did I complain?
We're not refused to give you the food.
Let's say right from the day that I came here, I have so many evidence. I asked for food. You people tell me that you people cannot give us food. Even in our reception, I have the record. I asked them, do you people want me to die here? Do you people bring me to die here? And police himself open mouth say, yes, if I want to die, I should die. I have the evidence. So I don't just do things like that. I do things with evidence. And one thing I want you people to understand is that all these things that you people are doing, the whole world is watching. Okay? People are intimidating us because we're Africa. Okay? Now, you are coming here in my door that want to test me. And the first question that I asked you, have you been tested? You say no. How can you be testing people while yourself have not been tested? Okay, can you present the results of any of these people tests? Okay, even the doctor himself, before doctors start to test somebody, that doctor is supposed to be tested.
Yeah, they have been tested.
How sure? What is the evidence?
Sorry,
what is the evidence? Yes, do you have any evidence?
Evidence?
Yes. Did I have any evidence? Did I have? No, I want to know.
You want to see the result?
I want to listen. Secondly, before you set me anything in my mouth, you need to set yourself. Let me see. You use that particular the same thing that you said in my mouth and said in your own mouth. Man, I will not do it because I don't know you people plan. What kind of intimidation is this? You cannot allow me to rest. You take me from my house and keep me here. I'm suffering here. I called you people right from the day that they bring me to this place that my WC is not working, and you people ignore it.
What is not?
My WC is not working. My WC is not working.
Have you told the people downstairs?
I have already called them more than 20 times. I call them every time, every day.
Can they understand what you're talking
Yeah,
about?
they understand because they hand over to, they call somebody that understands English and they explain severally. They did not attend to me.
But they did not...
They did not attend to me. They did not. They said I should do it by myself. I cannot go to toilet because if I shit now, I cannot flush it. You understand? So why people are so wicked?
Okay, I'm sorry about that, but because...
Okay, you are sorry. What is the meaning of sorry? Yes, medicine after death. You are telling me sorry. I'm suffering here, you are telling me sorry. Can sorry solve my problem?
Yes, I will ask them now to solve your problem. I mean, sorry, because I'm not here to answer your phone, so I don't know your problem here. Maybe they're too busy and they say they will
Too busy.
send-
Too busy doing what? Too busy knocking on my door every
You
minute
know,
without.
there are more than hundreds of people here, and we have a lot of work to do. Maybe they forget or something else happened.
Well,
I'm
do you
sorry.
think that all this work is necessary?
Sorry, what?
Do you think that all this work that you people are doing is necessary?
What necessary?
This work, the work, is it necessary?
You mean the work here?
The work that you people are doing right now, is it necessary? You force somebody in his house. Eh? I have where I'm living here. You force me from my house. You take me here for no reason. Eh? You take me here for no reason, suffering me. You keep me inside one room for me not to go out, and you cannot even still let me have peace. Eh? You cannot let me have peace. Is it the right thing?
No, this is for every.
For what? For what? Listen, I have so many people in different hotels in Guangzhou.
Yes.
I have so many. I have their contact. I communicate with them. There's not even one single Chinese that is quarantined. None.
I told you, you can call. There's a Chinese people here in this hotel to keep the quarantine.
If there is any Chinese in this hotel, those people are not here for quarantine. It's not
No,
possible. Rather. Secondly, if there is any Chinese here, maybe you find out maybe the Chinese is close with any African. So that is the thing. So what do you want me to do? I want to ask, what do you people want me to do?
You know, can you listen to me now?
I can listen.
Because-
I can listen.
Let me finish, okay? Thank you. First, I'm telling you that everyone, no matter you're Chinese or foreigner, no matter you're in this hotel or other hotel, everyone needs to take twice the test for the virus. First is in the very beginning of your period staying here. The second one is in when you almost finish the quarantine, okay? This is the number one. Number two is that you're asking me about the reason why, right? The reason they want to test now is because there's more than one people who has been tested positive here in this floor. So the doctor have been busy for testing everyone because someone has said positive. They want to ensure that everyone here are safe.
Okay. I heard what you say. Let me now ask you a question.
Okay.
Number one, before I ask you this question, let me start from saying that your doctors don't know what to do. They don't know their jobs. Do you know the reason why I say so? Reason why I say so is that for a doctor to come and conduct a test and offer me a result, coming again to conduct the same test, that shows that that doctor doesn't know his job. Listen, I will not conduct any other test. I want to go back to my country. Eh? Let you people take me back to my country. Okay? Let me be there. Okay?
You wanna be
I want to go back to my country.
now?
If people can take me back now, no problem. Let's go. If people are ready to take me, I'm tired of this rubbish. I'm tired of this rubbish. Okay? So I'm not interested in staying in China anymore. I want to go back. So I don't like all the disturbance. Okay? So that is just it.
Will you want us to help you to call your embassy or you will call?
Don't worry, I have my embassy. I can call my embassy. I communicate with my embassy every time. Okay?
Okay, then I will talk to them. So I'm just telling you, this is not a discrimination.
No, this is a discrimination. This is a humiliation. You understand?
I already told you. Please let me finish, okay? There's Chinese people stay in the hotel, no matter this one or others. The second is that even though you are Chinese people, if you do quarantine here, you need to take the test twice, no matter where. No, people. There's nothing to do with your nationality. Okay?
No, the problem here, listen, the problem here is just nationality. If not because of, the Chinese are doing this thing just because we are Africans.
Okay.
So they're not doing it for our own favor.
Okay.
You understand? You are not, if you people are doing it for our own favor,
Okay.
this is not the pattern. This is not the systematic way of doing it.
Okay, I'm telling you that these are the things that I want to say. First, I'm telling you there's Chinese here. Second, no matter what's your nationality, you need to take twice test for the virus.
Wait, are you people texting people that are okay? Are you people quarantining people that are okay, or you people are quarantining people with the virus? Because I'm okay, I'm not sick. I'm okay, I'm strong, I'm not sick. Did I look like somebody that is sick? No. I'm strong. Why are you people still suffering me?
Because the doctor wanted to make sure, they want to know that.
Make sure, I'm the one to tell you I'm the one to tell you my health condition,
Yeah,
not you.
You know, there's a lot of cases here in China every day. I don't know if you check the news or not. Every day there are Chinese people who tested.
Okay, why are you people facing only Africans?
Not only Africans.
It's only Africans that you people are facing, and that is the truth.
They're facing.
You people are just quarantining Africans alone. Why is this so?
Okay, I'm telling you, if you don't believe me, you call. You use your phone in your room inside. You call, the room number is 522, but you need to add 8 before that. So you need A522. Call them, she's a Chinese there. And you ask them, is she tested for the virus? And I'm telling you, if she's just tested.
Okay, I want to ask a question.
Yes.
What do you want me to do now?
No, because there are people.
Okay, wait, do you want me to be tested second time?
For again, yeah.
Yeah, do you want me to test again?
Yes.
But you will not put anything in my mouth?
Put anything in your mouth?
Yes. Is it possible? If you can test me without putting anything in my mouth, no problem. If you need my saliva, I'll bring out my saliva. I'll drop my saliva in something, you take it. But to put something in my mouth is not possible. Because if putting something in my mouth, that particular thing that I want to put in my mouth is already affected. So you cannot put it in my mouth.
Okay, I understand.
You understand now? So if you people can test me without putting something in my mouth, no problem. I'll bring out my saliva. You take my saliva. But putting anything in my mouth is not acceptable.
就是如果要检测的话，一定要把那个放到它那个。
肯定啊，咽拭子。
要不然怎么检测得到？
不然怎么检测得到咽拭子？不跟谈就算了。真的，没必要跟他讲这么多，懂吧
OK。
我们还可以有手段，是吧？可以去留抽筋之类的，没必要跟他说那么多。已经解释很多东西了，我建议放了。
Okay, I think that's all I can tell you. But if you don't believe me, just call the woman there. Okay?
Well,
I'm telling you.
Sorry, that's why are you trying to divert my question? I asked you a question, you are trying to wave it off.
Because they're telling me you're a doctor, right?
Yes.
Then if you're a doctor, you're telling me you're a doctor. Then with your own knowledge, with your with your professional, then you know it's impossible, right?
This is my question. Can you conduct the test without putting anything in my mouth, yes or no?
With your knowledge, you know we can, right? We can't.
You can't?
Yeah.
Why? If you people cannot conduct this test without putting something in my mouth, that means you people want to affect me with the virus, and I cannot do that. You people want to affect me with the virus because nothing is wrong with me. If you want to test me again, I can bring out my saliva, I can pour out my saliva, then you take my saliva and test. But for you to assist that you must say something in my mouth for the second time, that means I cannot. That one is not
How
acceptable.
about that? If you don't believe that you can buy something by yourself, then you just give it to me.
Okay, let me bring something.
It's okay?
Yeah, let me bring something by myself. I have cotton bud here. I do it by myself. But for you to use your own and put in my mouth, sorry, I can't do that.
I can understand. I'm just telling them, okay?
And now ask them. I have my own cotton bud. I use my own and put in my mouth. No problem.
Okay.
But for you people to put something in my use your own to put in my mouth, it's not acceptable. I cannot do it because
Okay, I understand. I will talk to them.
Talk
okay?
to them. Talk to them.
Thank you. I'm sorry about your feeling, but I'm telling you with my sincere heart that there's no crimination, okay? I'm sorry. If
no,
you feel
don't
so.
say that. There's discrimination. Don't say that. There is discrimination. There is hatred. And at the same time, I don't know, but I really strongly believe that you people have an agenda. That is the thing. Because the way things are going, it don't supposed to happen this way.
Okay. I'm sorry if you feel so. Okay, I will talk to them and they will figure out about that, and maybe another staff will talk to later. Okay, because I'm not a doctor. The doctor will talk.
No,
to
you can ask him. You can ask him here.
I know this. 他如果做的话，他现在不相信我们，他自己有那个棉签，他自己弄进去再给我们。
不能，那个棉签它不是无菌的，知道吗？它自己是那种平常自己包的棉签，我们这种是无菌的。
你就跟他说，因为他有这里的住址嘛，就是常住的地址。因为如果我们做了第二次这个咽拭子，如果是阴性的，2次都显示阴性，那么他就可以回家。
前提是要他在广州有自己的住所。
对。
就是说不用等到14天。
对，不用等到14天。前提是他有。
不过我相信今天我们也跟他解释过了这个政策。就他前提是要附近居所，住。
那还要怎么证明呢？
就第二次咽拭子阴性了，他就可以走了。
不是，固定住所要怎么证明呢？
这个你跟他说。
你就问他那个住址在哪里。
就是他不用证明是吧？
对，
他告诉你是。
对，他告诉我们。
Okay. First for your, let me finish, okay? First for your question, the doctor says no because maybe they can make sure that the things that put in is without any virus. If you don't believe me, it's okay. Then I'm telling you that everyone who quarantine here need to take twice tests, right? And they're telling me that if you can test twice and both of the result is negative, then you are free to leave.
I cannot allow you people to put something in my mouth. I'm not saying that I cannot test. Even if you want to test 10 times, it's acceptable. But for the fact that you are using your own material that I don't know what you have planted on it to put in my mouth is not acceptable. If I can bring my saliva out and you test my saliva, good. Second, if I can use my own cotton bud to set in my mouth for you to test, is good. But for you to use your own this thing to set in my mouth is not acceptable.
Do you know the policy when you check in before you do the quarantine? Have they told me that everyone who stay here in the hotel, I mean, every hotel is the same, need to take twice?
Nobody told me. And secondly, I want to ask, this thing that you are telling me, is it a kind of Chinese law that all foreigners must be quarantined and they tested more than twice?
Not foreigner, all the people.
No, not
even though you're Chinese. I'm telling you, if you don't believe, you ask the people.
I have so many Chinese customers.
Yes,
I have so many. Listen, I have so many Chinese that I do business with.
Yeah,
I have communicated with them, and all of them is against this attitude. All of them is against this humiliation. All of them is against this action that Chinese is being taken against us. Okay?
Are they in the hotel?
They are not in the hotel. They are in their home. They are in their home. They are surprised to hear such from us. They are surprised to hear this kind of intimidation. So why can't you people take all those people? If you go to different places now that are doing their normal businesses, and you people have not take them to quarantine them. I'm not sick. I'm okay. I don't have any problem. So if you people cannot, if you want to test me, I'll use my own. I'll bring out my saliva. You test my saliva.
I will ask again, okay?
No problem.
就是说，他能确保他自己的那个是干净的，你们也不行是吧？
不行，我们是无菌的。
就是他能确保他那个也是吗？
不行，我们有专门的折叠口。
我知道，就我们肯定有我们的测试。如果他就是保证他那个是干净的呢，
不行，
也不行。
一定要我们的颜色纸。
那他比如说他不是你们不是说12天再测一次吗？
是的。
那他到时候12天还要再测吗？
要。
就是要测3次啊。
是的。
Okay, I think they will talk to their boss. Okay, because they're just general doctor.
Let me clarify one issue here. I'm ready to be tested, but you cannot insert anything in my mouth.
I know.
If you want to test me, I can bring out my saliva. You take my saliva and test. Or I can bring out my own cotton bud and sit in my mouth and give you people to test. You understand?
Yeah, I understand. The problem here, they tell me, is that if you are